Welcome to my channel mothersflavr. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is Aloo Matar Tikki or Matar Tikki. Since it's winter season and during winter seasons matar are in season, so this is the perfect time and the perfect weather to make your Aloo Matar Tikki. Alright, now to make our Aloo Matar Tikki or the Matar Tikki, we'll be needing the following ingredients. 2 tablespoons of besan, 1.5 tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of oil, around 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 cup of peas or matar. Here what I have done is I have added around 3 tablespoons of water to this matar and I have boiled it for about 5 minutes. 2 potatoes which I have power boiled. Power boiled meaning I have just immersed the potatoes halfly in water and cooked it in the cooker for about 2 whistles. 1 onion which I have chopped finely. Half a teaspoon of jeera, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic and half inch of ginger which I have chopped finely. 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 chillies chopped finely, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of sauce. Adding the fennel seeds here is optional. 1 tablespoon of ghee. First we'll have to roast our besan. So for that we'll have to heat our pan on medium flame. Once our pan is heated, we'll add in our besan to this and we will dry roast it till it turns brown. It's that nice roasted aroma. So we'll roast it till then. Around 2 to 3 minutes. We'll just turn off our heat. Now our roasted besan is ready. Please do ensure to roast your besan on medium flame or on complete low flame. Alright, now in the similar pan, we'll add in our ghee. If you don't have ghee or if you're on a diet, then you can definitely go ahead and use oil if you want to in this process. Now once your ghee is melted, add in the fennel seeds and the jeera seeds. Once your jeera seeds starts to crackle, turn your flame to full low and add in the ginger and garlic. Saute your ginger and garlic for about 10 seconds. Next, we'll add in the chillies. Saute your chillies also for about 10 seconds. We will add in our onions and we'll saute our onions till they start to changing their color. After you add your onion, increase your flame to medium. You want to release all the water content from the onion, so you have to saute it till it reduces in its quantity basically, or till it shrinks down and turns completely transparent. Now as you can see, our onions have started changing their color and they have also started releasing the ghee. So at this point of time, we'll just turn off our heat and we let this mixture cool down. Now once this mixture cools down, we will add it into a mixer jar and we'll also add in our cooked matar into our mixer jar and we'll make a nice fine paste of this. Ensure when you're making a nice fine paste of this, do not add any water to this. Alright, this is how the puree should look once you have blended it into your blender jar. I haven't added any water to this. Now we'll transfer this paste into a mixing bowl. To this, we will add in our garam masala. We'll add in our boiled potatoes and we'll mix all of this together. Now, we'll just add 1 tablespoon of besan to this. Our tikki mixture is not very watery. If it is too watery, then you might need an entire 2 tablespoons. So here I have just added 1 tablespoon of besan. Better to use your hands when you're doing this. It gives you a proper idea of the consistency. And according to me, the consistency is right. But not the least, we will add in salt to taste. After you add your salt, give it a nice mix. So to make our tikki, first we'll apply some oil on our palm. A spoonful of mixture in our palm. Roll it in between our palms like this and turn it into a nice ball kind of shape. And then we'll just press it in between our palms and roll it in between our palms like this again and press it on all the edges and give it a nice sticky shape like this. After you give it a nice sticky shape, we'll take this tikki and dip it in the breadcrumb mixture like this, just on both the sides. Just do this and dust off all the excess breadcrumbs that is stuck to our tikki. As you can see, this is how our tikki will look. We will place our tikki in a plate. We just want to give our tikki a nice crunchy texture, and that is why we are just rolling it in our breadcrumbs. You're deep frying your tikki, then make sure that you make a slurry of cornstarch or maida, and then dip it in breadcrumbs, and then dip it in the slurry, and then again dip it in the breadcrumbs, and then deep fry it. So again we have made a nice round ball from our tikki mixture, and now we'll just press this and we'll roll it in between our palms like this. Then we'll just dip it in the breadcrumb mixture. We'll just dust off our excess breadcrumbs. Thirdly, we'll do with all our other tikkis. I have made here around 9 tikkis with the quantities that I have used. So now we'll keep this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes to half an hour, and then we will shallow fry it on our tawa after about half an hour. Alright, so this is how the tikki will look once we have kept it in the refrigerator. We keep it in the refrigerator so that it becomes nice and firm. So now they are nice and firm. Now we'll heat a tawa on medium flame. Once the tawa is heated, we are going to shallow fry it. We'll just add about 1 tablespoon of oil, and we'll spread this evenly with a nice brush. And now we'll place these tikkis one by one. We'll cook it on medium low flame on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Want a nice crust on our tikki, so we'll cook it on medium low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 3 to 5 minutes, we'll just flip and we'll check on it. It has got a nice crust on it. So similarly, now we'll just flip the others. Around 2 spoons to flip this. Cook on the other end also for about 2 minutes. Alright, now we'll just check after 2 minutes if our tikki is done. Just flip it. Yeah, it's cooked on the other end as well. So now we'll just flip everything. Yeah, it has got a nice crust on the other end as well. Matar tikki is ready. Now we'll just turn off our heat and we'll serve it into our serving plates. Just top it up with some cheese spread. Sprinkle some chaat masala on this. Top it with some pomegranate. There you go. Our Aloo Matar Tikki or Matar Tikki is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button, so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.